Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project so API calls work reliably. Create a new Java Android project and add the internet permission to Android manifest. XML, this allows network access. Next, add required libraries, OK HTTP or retrofit and build. Gradle dependencies and sync the project. Once done, create a simple model class for JSON mapping and enable Java 8 compatibility in compile options. Make sure to keep the main activity minimal so you can focus on networking logic and avoid UI-related distractions early on. Now implement the networking layer to handle requests and responses. Define an API interface using retrofit annotations for endpoints or create OK HTTP request/response flow. This abstracts calls into clear methods. Build a retrofit instance with the base URL, JSON converter, and a configured OK HTTP client, including timeouts and interceptors for logging or auth. Once configured, call the API on a background thread using executors or modern alternatives so the UI thread stays responsive. Then parse results into your model and post them back to the UI safely. Finish by wiring calls to the UI and adding robust error handling. Execute the API call asynchronously, and on success, update UI components on the main thread. If an error occurs, parse the error body to show actionable messages and implement retry or exponential backoff where appropriate. Also add network logging and unit tests against a mock server to validate JSON mappings and edge cases. If something breaks, check logs for stack traces, verify base URL and endpoints, and confirm permissions and Gradle dependencies are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.